Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share easily your entire Steam library with your friends. So my friends, I will use two accounts. One of them is my main account and the other account is my friend's account to share my Steam library with him. And I will show you how to do this, and you will see that all of the games that I have will be shared on his account and he will be able to play any of them if he wishes to do this. So guys, I'm going to go to my library. As you can see, these are the games that I have on the account. I mean, this is my friend's account, not my account. So let's, for example, talk about some games. So for example, as you can see, Elden Ring, right? So this is the game that I have installed locally, but it's not on the account. Okay, so keep that in mind. Also, as you can see, the locally installed are filtered. So even if I log in into the account that doesn't have them, they will still appear, but they are not available on this account because it's not purchased. The game is not purchased on this account. So as you can see, if I click on it, it says borrow. So this is where this Steam share comes in. So basically what needs to be done, I'm going to log out now from the account and I will show you how to share the Steam library. And note the Elden Ring game. You will see that this game will be available to play after I share my entire Steam library. Okay guys, so as you can see, now I am in my own account. As you can see, the Steam library is completely different. There is more games in here. Also, I have my favorites and stuff like that. And as you can see, Elden Ring is available to play. So there's a play button, not a borrow. So because I purchased the game by myself, but I can share it with my friend. So in order to do this, you go here and you go to your account settings. Alright guys, after this you go to the account settings and you go to the family management tab. And of course, because we're sharing with our friend, it's very easy to do this by just inviting a member. Just press on this button and choose a friend from your friend list. It's very easy, so just click on this button. As you can see, this window will appear, and here I have my friend's account. This is the only friend that I have. I mean, no, it's not the only one, but it doesn't matter. It's the most important one, okay? So I just choose him, I click on him, and as you can see, I can invite him now. Invite as an adult or a child. Of course, he's not a child, he's a grown man. So I'm going to press on invite as adult. Press on this button. After this, there will be a confirmation for the invitation. Press invite. Okay. Now as you can see, invite is pending. So in order to accept this invite, you need to log into your account and of course accept the library. That's something that I'm going to do now. Or you can just go into the notification right over here, and as you can see, family invites. I sent an invite to the family. So press on that. So as you can see, you have been invited to join an existing family. So just accept it. Confirm join. You are joining this Steam family as an adult. Confirm. Okay, and now I have to also accept this and confirm this in my authorization app, basically the Steam Android app. Let me do that. Yeah, as you can see, now I am a part of the family. And if I go to my library now, as you can see, I have Elden Ring. And if I click on it now, as you can see, I'm on my friend's account. Now instead of borrow, it says play. So now I can successfully launch the game and play it. And also any game from the list as well. So that's how it's done, guys. Very easy method. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. See you very soon.